Bari Energy shares rallied as much as 7% on December 10th, extending its rally to 5 trading sessions in a row after it secured a new order to supply up to 1 GW of solar modules. The order comes from a prominent renewable energy company in India with deliveries planned for FY25 and FY26. Shares of Grieve Cottons rallied up to 9%, extending its gains for a second session in a row as ace investor Vijay Kedia acquired 12 lakh shares through a block deal which represents about 0.52% of equity in the company. Borosil Renewables shares extending its winning streak to the 6th consecutive session, surging up to 32% during this period. Swiggy shares rallied after international brokerage CLSA was among the latest to initiate coverage on the recently listed food delivery player. The brokerage issued a bullish buy call, seeing a target price of about 708 rupees per share, which indicates a whopping 32% upside from previous levels. Religare Enterprises shares jumped nearly 20% on the exchanges after the Reserve Bank of India cleared the Berman's family open offer to acquire an additional 26% stake in the company. Tech Mahindra and TCS shares were languishing in the red as global brokerage HSBC has rejigged its stance on IT stocks on the back of 6 factors. Of these 6 factors, generative AI and GCC headwinds are among them. It has downgraded TCS and Coforge to a hold rating, and Tech Mahindra has been downgraded to a reduced call. After surging over 10% in the previous session, CH shares fell 4% on heavy volumes and profit booking. In the previous session, investors had given a thumbs up to the company's acquisition proposal of tyre maker Michelin's Camso brands of off-highway tyres. The deal was valued at about 1900 crore and included the brand, 2 manufacturing facilities in Sri Lanka, and the high-end technology products and tracking business. Life Insurance Corporation of India's share price dropped nearly 4% amid a decline in November premiums for the state-run insurer. The insurance behemoth reported a 27% year-on-year drop. Both its total and retail APE for LIC were down in November by 19% and 12% respectively. HEG shares slipped nearly 5% intraday after rallying over 14% over the past week as investors rushed to take some profits off the table. MapMyIndia operator CE Info Systems saw its shares tank about 5% as investors rushed to book profits. This comes after the recent bull run in the stock. With today's fall, the stock has also snapped a 4-day winning streak, wherein it clocked up to 23% gains. Despite the 4-day rally in the stock, most of the gains were seen in the previous session following the company's reversal of its decision to invest in the new consumer-facing business being established by the CMD Rakesh Verma's son, CEO Rohan Verma.